Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing absolutely great, and in today's video I will be talking about my usual hair care routine, and I will take you through each and every step, and obviously will be talking about that as well. So if you are interested, please keep on watching. So the first thing in the routine would be oiling my hair. So for that, usually I'll take a couple of hair oils and mix it well in a bowl. So I'm going to take a bowl now, and I will be mixing all the oil in it. So first I'm going to take coconut oil, which my mother makes it for me, adding a few more ingredients in the coconut oil. So if you want to know more about it, let me know in the comment section below. So the next oil would be from Mamaearth. It's their onion hair oil. I have a complete review on this oil on my channel. So if you can go ahead and watch that if you are interested. And coming to the next oil, it is from the brand Kama Ayurveda. It's their Bringraj oil. And at the last, I'm going to use their sweet almond oil as well. So I'm going to mix all the oil very well now, and I'm going to warm it up a little before I apply it on my hair. So before starting the hair oiling, I am going to detangle my hair with the help of a comb. This particular step actually helps in easy absorption of the oil and also prevents the hair breakage. So now I will start applying the oil on my roots first, and then I will slowly go towards the end. I will also give a light massage on my scalp with the help of my fingertips. So once the hair oiling is done, I am going to wait for another 2 to 3 hours and will allow the hair oil to set in, and then I will completely wash it off using a shampoo. So coming back to the next step in the routine, which is shampooing my hair. So for the shampoo, I am using now from L'Oreal Professional Paris. It is their Siri Expert AOX Vitamino Color Shampoo. So I have been using this shampoo since last year September after I colored my hair. So this particular shampoo is supposed to be a color protecting shampoo. So I have colored my hair red in the bottom part of my hair, but as you can see that very less of it left now, and most of it is already faded out. So I don't know how much color protection this particular shampoo actually gave me. So I am going to apply this shampoo twice on my hair to completely wash the oil off from my hair. And I'm not going to lie, but this particular shampoo does make my hair a little bit dry. So actually I'm planning to try out something new, and this particular shampoo is already over. So if you have a suggestion on that, please let me know in the comment section below. Okay, so next coming to the best part of the routine, that is hair masking. So previously I used to use a conditioner after shampooing my hair, but it's been long that I have shifted towards hair masks, and according to me it works the best for me. So presently I'm using the hair mask from Scent Botanica. It's their Moroccan Argan hair mask, and it is for all hair types, and it is also free from SLS and parabens. It's often said that you should use the same range of shampoo, conditioner and hair masks, but this particular hair mask actually works a wonder for me. So I have not shifted to anything else till now, and it has a very soothing smell. And as you can see how much I love it, it's almost hitting the bottom. So I'm planning to try something new once I completely emptied this out. So the good thing about hair mask is that unlike conditioners, you can use it on your roots as well, because conditioner, as you know, that you should only use in the end of or the bottom part of your hair, but wherein the hair mask you can apply it on your roots also. So I am going to use this hair mask after shampooing my hair when my hair is not very dry or very wet. So and I'm going to leave it for 5 minutes, and then I'm going to wash it off with completely normal water. So post this step, I am going to towel dry my hair and also let it air dry. So some days I would like to use a hair spa after this particular step, and for hair spa I usually use the hair spa of Deep Nourishing Cream Bath from L'Oreal Paris Professional. And please let me know if you want to see how I do hair spa at home, and I would love to make a video for this. And but today I'm not going to do a hair spa. Instead, I am going to end up this particular routine by using a hair serum. So for hair serum, these days I am using the Innisfree Camellia Essential Hair Oil Serum. So I am using it for a long time now. So I'm going to take 2-3 drops on my palm, and then I am going to evenly distribute the serum all over my hair. And it not only smells very good, it also makes your hair very soft. So that was all about the hair care routine that I usually follow. So this video is not only for the girls or women out there, this is also meant for the boys and the guys out there who wants to follow the same routine, and I can assure you that this will also work the best for them as well. So it is also not necessary for you to use the same products that I have shown in the video. It's all about the routine, so you can always switch it up with the product suits best for you. And I hope you like this video, and if you do so, please like, share and comment. And you can also go ahead and watch other videos on my channel which I have posted earlier, and if you like that too, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button, and also please press the bell icon to get notified whenever I upload a new video. So that's all for today from my side. I'll see you on my next. Till then, take care. Bye bye.
갑자기 내게 나타나준 너, 난 아무 말도 할 수가 없었지. 첫눈에 반한다는 이야기가 널 보는 순간 이해가 됐어.